So guys, this is how much I've withdrawn on this website. This is my second account, right? So this is how much I've withdrawn on this particular account so far. You understand? See, you can see. I first of all withdrew 2,400, that's 8,200, and second one and third one is 1,002. You understand? I'm going to apply for this 2,550. Just know that they are taking charges of 5% of whatever you are withdrawing. Do you understand? So let me show you. Let me add the amount. 50. Okay, let me choose the bank that I'm going to and apply for withdrawal. So I've applied for withdrawal. Let me scroll up. It's still in progress. Just within few minutes I'll get my alert. But let's go back. If you want to register on this website, just click the link on my on description box or on the comment section. It will bring you here. You understand? So they have different packages. All you have to do is to click on this invest here. Sorry. Click on this invest here. So uh, if you click on the invest, it have three different packages. But if you're investing, I will advise you to invest. You first of all invest for this monthly fund and daily fund. Daily fund, you'll be getting your earnings daily. For this monthly fund, it's until 30 days. After 30 days, you get back the total revenue you have earned. You understand? Like this 3,000 naira on, you'll be earning 1 2 daily, and total revenue will after 30 days will be 36,000. For this daily fund, is 3,000. Then you'll be earning 1 2 for 5 days, which is 6,000, and you have taken your money back already. Then you have to wait for this 30 days. And another one is this welfare fund. You see, it's available. You can buy this welfare fund for 3,000 and you'll be earning 2,100 naira every day for 3 days. You understand? Then you can withdraw 6,300. You see, it's very good. It's a very good website which you can earn. You get. So if you want to recharge, all you have to do is to click account here. Just click on it, click on recharge 6,000 naira. That's add if you want to end daily, recharge 6,000 naira. You understand? Or even more. They have different packages here. Let me show you. They have 9,000, they have 30,000. But know that whatever you fund, you recharged on this what's it called? On this monthly fund is what you are going to do on the daily fund. You understand? Whatever you do on the monthly fund is what you are going to do on a daily fund. Assuming you did 9,000, let's assume you did 9,000, and you come to this daily fund up here. You get, just click it. You come to daily fund too, where you see 9,000 and do it. You understand? So it's just very simple. Just know that the more you fund, the higher you earn. You understand? So all you have to do, click the account, click on the recharge 6,000 naira. That's advisable amount I will advise you to recharge, so that you will do, if you don't have money, so that you will do 3,000 naira for monthly fund and 3,000 naira for daily fund, so that you earn your 6,000 naira back. You understand? That's just it. Then if you want to do the welfare fund, you can still go ahead and recharge and do the welfare fund. Once you put the 6,000 naira, you click recharge. You understand? Once you click on research, you read what they wrote here. After reading, you have 9 minutes to transfer on this account and click I have made this bank transfer. Then you, once you have transfer the money and click it, your money will reflect here. Let's go back. Your money will reflect on this recharge here. Your money will reflect there, you understand? Then you come back to invest. Then invest monthly, you click on buy the 3,000, any amount you want to invest. If it is 9,000, you click on buy. If it is 3,000, click on buy. You click on it, buy it. Daily, you click on it, buy it. That's 6,000. So before, after 5 days, you get it back, that your 6,000 back. And this welfare fund, if you want to earn more, you can go for this welfare fund. You earn daily 2,001. So depending on the fund you make. If you are in monthly fund one, just know that welfare fund that you'll be doing is welfare fund one, you understand, same as daily fund one. So if you are in monthly fund two, just know that everything you'll be doing is fund two, that's just it. So it's very simple. You earn on this app. Let's go and check if whether they have successfully transferred the money. Let me click on the withdrawal, scroll up. Okay, it have entered. Let me check my bank app and check if whether it truly entered. Let me go to my opay. You see, it entered. They removed 5% of the money that I withdrew. That's why you are seeing 2,422. So that just it is paying, and their payment is very, very simple. You understand? And you can earn another way. Let me screenshot this and show you how you can earn in this app also. Let me screenshot it. Then let's go back to the app, to the website. You click on this M board, publish. You click on publish. Let me upload my picture, that picture that I screenshotted now. My payments. You can just say anything. My payment don't drop. Oh, sorry, don't drop. Oh, you can say anything, you understand? You publish it. It's published successfully. You wait, then they will credit you. Let me know. They will credit me very soon here on this withdrawal, which I will be showing you later. You understand? So that's just it. Click the link on my bio to start earning right away.